Hello everyone, this new way of making eggplant has become really popular lately. At restaurants, one serving sells for 98 yuan, but if you make it at home, it costs less than 8 yuan. Everyone who's tried it says it's great. Let's take a look at how I make it. First, we prepare 2 fresh eggplants. Choose ones that are tender, like these thicker, straighter ones. This way, the texture will be better, and the dish will look more appealing. Next, rinse the eggplants thoroughly under running water to remove any dust and pesticide residues from the surface. After washing and draining the eggplants, place them on a cutting board and cut off both the stem and the end with a knife. Then use a peeler to slice the eggplants into thin pieces. Just like shown in the video, that's good enough. There's no need to remove the eggplant skin. The skin contains a large amount of anthocyanins, and eggplants are very nutritious, rich in protein, vitamins, as well as various nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and iron. So we should eat more eggplant, as it has many health benefits. Now our eggplant slices are ready. Then place them into a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt to the large bowl. Add a little bit of white vinegar. Then pour in enough water to cover the eggplant slices. Mix well by hand. Let it soak on the side to prevent the eggplant from oxidizing and turning black. Next, prepare 20 grams of fresh ginger and slice it. Then cut the slices into thin strips. Take a section of green onion and slice it. After slicing, put them into a bowl. Add 1 star anise broken into pieces. Add a small amount of Sichuan peppercorns. Then add half a bowl of warm water. Stir it with chopsticks. Let it soak for 10 minutes to bring out the aroma of the scallion, ginger, and spices. Next, prepare a handful of scallions and chop them into scallion rings. After chopping, place them on a plate for later use. Prepare a few cloves of garlic and crush them first. Then mince the garlic. After mincing, put it on a plate for later use. Prepare a piece of pork shoulder. This kind of pork has both fat and lean parts, making it taste better. Then cut the pork into pieces. Next, cut it into small chunks. After cutting, put the pieces into a meat grinder. Then grind it into minced meat. You don't need to grind it too finely. It's tastier with a bit of texture. If you don't have a meat grinder, you can also chop the meat into mince with a knife. Once the meat is minced, transfer it to a large bowl for later use. Our scallion, ginger, and spice water has finished soaking, and the aroma is very strong. Now pour it out and strain out the scallion, ginger, and spices. Season the minced meat by adding a spoonful of salt. Add a little sugar to enhance the flavor. Add an appropriate amount of white pepper. Add a suitable amount of light soy sauce. A little oyster sauce as well. Then mix everything well with chopsticks. Next, gradually add the scallion, ginger, and spice water in small amounts several times. Let the meat absorb the moisture. The scallion, ginger, and spice water helps remove any gaminess and adds aroma. When the meat filling is fully hydrated, it will be tender and juicy when eaten. Be sure to stir in one direction, mixing the meat until it becomes elastic. Finally, mix the meat until it becomes thick and stretchy like this. Then add the chopped scallions. Drizzle a little hot oil over them to bring out the aroma of the scallions. Wow, the fragrance of scallions is really enticing. Then continue to mix evenly with chopsticks. Once it's thoroughly mixed, our meat filling is ready, tender and juicy. It's not gamey or dry, making it perfect for buns, dumplings, or meat pies. Now take a slice of eggplant and place it on the cutting board. Add an appropriate amount of the prepared meat filling. Use a spatula to spread it out evenly. Spread a thin layer of meat filling on top, that's enough. Then carefully roll it up from one end, making very sure to roll it tightly. And just like that, an eggplant meat roll is done. Place it on a plate. Continue rolling the remaining eggplant slices in the same way. In just a few minutes, all our eggplant meat rolls are ready. Next, prepare 2 fresh eggs and crack them into a bowl. Beat them thoroughly with chopsticks. Then prepare an appropriate amount of cornstarch. Take an eggplant meat roll and dip it into the egg mixture, making sure it's evenly coated. After coating it with egg, take it out and roll it in the cornstarch, ensuring it's evenly covered as well. Just like this is fine. Set it aside on a plate for now. Next, heat up a pan and add a generous amount of oil. Heat the oil in the pan until it reaches about 50% hot. If you put in chopsticks and small bubbles quickly form, the oil is ready. Then, add the eggplant meat rolls one by one. Fry them slowly over medium-low heat. Don't move them at first. Let them set in shape. Once they've set, gently turn them with chopsticks so the eggplant meat rolls cook more evenly. Dear friends, if my video has been helpful to you, please do me a favor and use your lucky hands to like and share this video. Thank you all for your support. Fry for about 5 minutes. Cook the eggplant until it's done and turn slightly golden yellow. Alright, take them out and drain the oil. Now our eggplant meat rolls are ready to eat and they smell absolutely delicious. To make them even tastier, we need to take one more step. Prepare a sauce. Add a spoonful of sugar and a little starch to a bowl. Add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce. 1 spoonful of aromatic vinegar. Half a spoonful of oyster sauce. Then add half a bowl of water. Stir with a spoon until everything is dissolved. Add a little oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, pour in the prepared sauce. Stir evenly with a spatula, simmer on low heat, and let the flavors of the sauce fully blend together. Simmer until the sauce becomes thick and rich. Then add the minced garlic. Continue stirring evenly with the spatula. Next, add the eggplant meat rolls. Sprinkle an appropriate amount of toasted sesame seeds. Add chopped green onions. Quickly stir everything together so that each eggplant meat roll is coated with a layer of sauce. Just like this, it's ready. Take it out of the pan. Arrange them on a plate. Pour the sauce over the top as well. It's so fragrant. Just looking at it makes your mouth water. Finally, sprinkle some fresh chopped green onions on top as a garnish. A delicious dish of eggplant meat rolls with savory sauce is now ready. The eggplant wraps around the tender meat filling, then gets coated in this irresistible sauce. The flavor is simply amazing. It's packed with nutrition, and just one bite is incredibly satisfying, both appetizing and craving satisfying. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.